Welcome back to the channel, where we explore innovative ways to earn money online. Today, we're diving into the world of free ebooks and affiliate links, a powerful combination for generating income from the comfort of your own home. Let's face it, making money online can be tough. Many people struggle to find a sustainable way to earn a living on the internet. However, with the rise of digital products like ebooks and the power of affiliate marketing, there's a solution at hand. By leveraging these tools, you can overcome the challenges of traditional online income streams and pave your way to financial success. So how exactly can you make money with free ebooks and affiliate links? It's simple. First, create valuable and engaging ebooks on topics that interest your target audience. Next, strategically incorporate affiliate links within your ebooks to promote relevant products or services. By effectively marketing your ebooks and driving traffic to your affiliate links, you can start earning passive income online. Now, let's talk success stories. There are countless individuals who have harnessed the power of free ebooks and affiliate links to achieve financial freedom. From bloggers to digital marketers, these entrepreneurs have monetized their content and built thriving online businesses. By following in their footsteps and implementing proven strategies, you too can unlock the potential of this lucrative income stream. In summary, making money online with free ebooks and affiliate links is not only possible, but also incredibly rewarding. By creating valuable content, leveraging affiliate partnerships, and driving targeted traffic, you can turn your passion into profit and build a sustainable online income stream. Ready to take your online earning potential to the next level? Explore our other videos for more tips on maximizing your income online. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below and hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and see you in the next one.